Dear learners and viewers, how are you? I think you are well. You are doing well with your studies. Today, I am with you in another grammar lecture. I think this grammar lecture will help you to learn English. Dear learners, before doing that, I am going to give my introductions and welcome to online class. Welcome to the world of online education. Dear learners, my identity. I am Arifujjaman Arif, lecturer of English, Doika Adarsh Degree College, Hatibanda Lalmanihat. The class is especially made for English second paper, class 9 to 12. I think the class will help you to learn English. Dear learners, what have you observed? Yes, doctor's technique. No other doctor is as clever as he. He is a cleverer doctor. He is the cleverest doctor, dear learners. Very few doctors are as clever as he. He is one of the cleverest doctors. Dear learners, have you understood what are we going to talk about? So, what is our today's lesson? Transformation of sentence, positive to superlative. Dear learners, learn outcomes. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to identify the structure of changing positive into superlative, change positive to superlative. Dear learners, are you prepared? Yes, we are going to enjoy the slide. Yes, so how to change simple positive into superlative. Dear learners, there is a picture. Eiffel Tower is a tall tower. Eiffel Tower is the tallest tower. The first is positive and the second is superlative. Yes, subject, verb, the plus superlative form plus extension. This is the structure of superlative degree. Dear learners, how can we change it? Eiffel Tower subject is verb, the tallest, superlative form plus extension tower. So we can easily change positive into superlative in this way. Dear learners, it is a long tower. It is the longest tower. Well done. Dear learners, this is a beautiful sea beach. This is the example of positive degree. This is the most beautiful sea beach according to the structure. So it is clear to you, you can do it better. Dear learners, this is a charming scenery. This is the most charming scenery. Are you clear? Class activities. Change the sentences into superlatives. Truthfulness is a noble virtue. Number 2, it is a valuable worldly wealth. Number 3, it is a nice possession to us. Number 4, character is an actual glory also. Please do the sentences, then you will gather some learning. Dear learners, how to change positive with no other into superlatives? If there is any no other in the positive, how can we change it into superlative? Dear learners, no other architecture is as attractive as the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal is the most attractive architecture. Subject word after s plus verb plus the plus superlative form, word after no others. Are you clear? Yes, we can see another examples. No other fruit is as nutritious as tomato. Yes, tomato is a very nutritious fruit. How can we change it? Tomato is the most nutritious fruit, dear learners. Wow. No other bird is as nice as the parrot. How can change it? Yes. The parrot is the most, yes, sorry. The parrot is the nicest bird. Yes. Well done. Dear learners, you have some activities. practice. Number one, no other food is as harmful as junk food. No other dish looks as attractive as it. Number three, no other flower is as beautiful as the rose. Number four, no other petal looks as pretty as it. Number five, no other view is as charming as this flower. Dear learners, practice it and you will gather more information. Okay, we will go to the next slide. Bermuda Triangle, how to change positive with very few into superlative. Yes, dear learners, very few table seeds are as dangerous as the Bermuda Triangle. Very few devil seeds are as dangerous as the Bermuda Triangle. Dear learners, are you clear? The Bermuda Triangle, it's one of the most dangerous devil seeds. How can we change it? Very few instead of one of the. Yes. Very few seas are as exceptional as the Dead Sea. Dear learners, the Dead Sea is one of the most exceptional sea. Yes. Very few houses are as wonderful as this house. This house is one of the most wonderful houses, dear learners. I think you are clear and you will be able to change the sentences from positive into superlative. Dear learners, there are some homeworks. Change the sentences into superlative degrees. No other person is as noble as he. Number two, very few dramas are as popular as Hamlet in the world. Number three, very few kings of India were as great as Akbar. Number four, no other boy is as young as Rubel in the class. Number five, very few people are as tall as Nasir Shamro. Dear learners, practice it. You should know practice makes a man perfect. Without practicing, you can't do better in the examination. I think if you solve the sentences or change the sentences, you will gather a lot of experience. Dear learners, we have come to the next part of our lecture and we have already finished. Dear learners, how do you enjoy the class? I think if you practice it more and more, you will get better result. Dear learners, don't waste your time at home. Practice it in this corona pandemic. Take care of our health. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.